With its new SafeSpace portable safe, Master Lock has come up with a convenient and stylish way to protect cell phones, cameras, and other small electronic devices. At less than 2 pounds and about 10 by 5 inches, the safe is discreet enough to bring into the local coffee shop or carry on campus. The safe is lined with foam to protect valuables and comes with a cable so it's easily secured, or as Master Lock puts it, lock up and lock down. SafeSpace locked with either a numeric code or a secret password. It also comes with an earbud/charging cable access port. Find out more at masterlock.com.